picking up Gary. It is the big day. Ooh. Gary!
Who's the leader of the band? It's ready for you. M-I-C. M-O-U-S-E.
It is Disney Day! It's Disney Day! Woohoo! I love that pirate hat.
It even came with a earring on it, so.
That's so cool. So we are heading to Disney today.
Absolutely.
I can't believe it. Woohoo! Yeah.
You got it going.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just got to Gary's house, picking him up. We are getting ready to head to the airport.
Yes.
And I am ready.
Yep.
My hand's shaking. I'm so excited my hand's shaking.
I think it's an earthquake.
I did have my coffee this morning. I don't know that that was a good idea before getting on an airplane.
Well, I had 3 cups, so, but, you know.
He's going to be hyper. And we have made it to the airport.
Yes,
so we are getting ready to head to big old Florida, where it's much warmer. Although it's really not bad here today.
No,
it was like 29 degrees, I think, this morning when I got in the car. I think it was 29. Actually feels pretty decent. We just have light jackets on and
just a light breeze.
hopefully we don't come home to snow and ice. The forecast isn't calling for it, but it surprises us sometimes. Because I didn't bring the 4-wheel drive. And we have made it to beautiful, sunny Orlando, Florida. Hang on, I gotta spit out my gum.
Yep.
That way then I am not chomping in front of the camera. I definitely want to head to this one donut shop if they have anything left, because that's like my absolute favorite thing on the planet. The angels are singing. Yeah.
17,
And we are through getting our
and
pastry that I obsess on. If you ever are in the Orlando International Airport, you have to go to this place. What's it called? Zaza? I think it's called Zaza.
If you say so.
Oh, it's so amazing. So we are heading over to get on the monorail
Yeah.
and go meet up with Mickey. So this is my reason for living. Now, show me the inside of yours. Have you got to the cream? Oh, you haven't got to it yet. It literally is heaven on earth. One of my absolute favorite things. Hopefully I don't have it all over my face. But we've been traveling and I'm tired, so I'm gonna let it stay on my face if it is. So we are in line for the Pop Century Resort. So what you do when you get to the airport is they scan your band and then you go ahead and line up in whichever line they actually want you. There's some long lines back there. We just boarded the Magical Express. We're gonna head over to our resort. It's not really very late, but I think very generous. We already got the message that our room was ready. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Awesome. Well, we're not going to use the resident.
No, I think we're going to maybe do a little wandering. It's still early enough that we don't want to really lose the evening. So, enjoy the ride.
your step getting off? Pop Century.
Pop Century. It's Pop Century. Gary, we finally made it.
Yes, we did.
After being up half the night, we're finally here. So we just got checked in and we're staying in a preferred room. What that basically means is you are actually a little bit closer to the main building, buses, things like that. So you pay a little bit of a premium, but in all honesty, it's worth it. If being right up against the main building isn't a concern for you and you're not that concerned about the paying a premium for it, there's times that we stay clear out in the boondocks, and quite honestly, who cares? Here at Disney, you're going to be walking miles and miles anyway, so a few extra steps is really not that big a deal in the grand scheme of things. And we are here. We are here. Please hit that subscribe and ring bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest. And also check out our other great videos that we have on the parks, the rides, the resorts, the Skyliner rides, things like that. There's a lot of stuff to check out that's really great, and I know you'll enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.